Hello, I'm Cory, born survivor in a field of sedge currently. I'm going to tell you about the wonders of sedge. This stuff right here is sedge. If I hold it up closer, you can tell it's sedge by the reddy orange colour and the fact it can be peeled. So basically what we're going to do here is, now that I've learned the arts of sedge, not drop it, we're just going to peel all this unnecessary stuff off that will kill you if you eat it. We'll just get rid of all that. Now we'll show you how to eat sedge, and one day this may save your life if you are ever trapped in the Bradford Kaims. Now you got rid of all this red stuff, you're down to the edible part. And all you do is, delicious. All gone, that helped me. Now we're going to talk to a sedge expert so we can teach you how to enjoy the sedge like a delicacy. So after hours of adventuring, we found a mysterious sedge man who's going to teach us about the wonders of sedge.
Hi, I'm Graham. I'm site supervisor, project officer here at the Bradford Kaims, and also apparently I'm the sedge man.
The sedge man. You got to remember the. So he's going to teach you about the important parts of sedge.
Well, we've got a few different species of plants down here at the Kaims. For a long time we were presuming that because we've got peat here, we were working next to a lake and river system. We know now that it was already a fen at the time we got human occupation on the site. So what we've been trying to think of is not what was it like, but what is it like today, and what sort of things in the landscape are there that they can utilise. And we've seen with Paula coming down on site, she's been showing us some of the basketry that they might have been doing, and also using the tussock grass as a material for making things. But the other thing with the tussock grass is that you can eat it. So when it's younger, the very bottom parts of the plants, where it's all white like this, is actually quite edible, and it's not disgusting either, as Cory will now demonstrate. So the very bottom part of it should be fairly crunchy, the rest of it will be a bit stringy, but you can generally bite off the tip and then either chew off or strain down with your teeth the material inside in order to get a not unpleasant tasting plant material which has nutritional value. I don't know about you, but to me that's always reminded me of cucumber.
It does, aye.
Something that we haven't tried yet, but I am quite looking forward to trying. So if you strip the inside of it, you get this dry material, and it's essentially what we've been eating, but it's older and it's dried out.
Yeah.
And that, if you were to grind that up once it was dried out, you can use that as the base for a type of flour. We're standing in sedge.
Not the stuff I ate before.
This is sedge. And a good thing to remember is sedges have edges.
No,
but they can also be round. So this, you can use it to make things very similar to the tussock grass. It's obviously not as stronger material, but you can still plait it and weave it into baskets, mats, whatever. This stuff, I'll give you that one. Actually, you're holding the mic, I'll prepare this one for you. You just keep peeling off the outer layers and you'll get a nice clean area in the bottom. And more of this material is edible compared to the tussock grass. You can eat it further up. It's a bit stringier, and it's kind of like celery because of the amount of stringiness to it, so you kind of have to get it into your moulders and give it a good chew. But that, the more you chew that, it releases almost a nutty flavour, similar to hazelnut. Walnut, sorry. Sedge-tastic.
It is.
This is sedge-stational. Are you a Sagittarian?
Yeah.
So you only eat sedge?
It's kind of nice, like.
Is it?
I eat sedge.
Oh.
Stringy bit stuck in his teeth. It's chewing gum. It's not chewing gum, but yeah. So papyrus, that's a sedge.
Yeah.
Egyptians used it to make paper. Chinese water chestnut. That's a sedge. You eat in your Chinese. Also, bulrushes, they're sedges, and in some parts in the world they call them Cossack asparagus, because the very bottom of it, similar to the pieces we're eating here, you can cook and eat, and it tastes all in a similar fashion to asparagus, and it's a bit of delicacy. Sedge.
Sedge.
Sedge. Buy your kids a sedge plant.
Right,
Any
sweet.
more
Thanks very
questions?
That's it. That's it for me, anyways.
much. Okay.
And that's it from me. I'm not sure if Brian will like it though.
It's coming out of the sedge field now. We're into a dangerous place. It's called a nettle field. Now, ideally, you don't want anything to do with nettles. Horrible. Can hurt you. There's an easy way to get through them though. You jump and run